boy. Hotep family and happy Kwanzaa.
Hey, boy, stop being a culture vulture. You are not a bungo.
Look who's talking, my homie, the wannabe a rude boy. At least I'm the real deal like Holy Phil, and you're just an improper eating jackass.
Bark! Why, you little smartest, when I get my hand on you, it's gonna hurt really bad.
Oh snap, I gotta go now. Homer looks mad. Subscribe to Kush King 1 Production for great Black History backstories.
This was a public announcement. If you are not black, please don't be a culture vulture or an appropriating jackass.
Unless you are a top-notch professional appropriator like these guys.
Please subscribe today and also hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Peace and love, family.
Queen Lisa in the house, bitches.
Oh boy, I will be glad when Homer and the children start their pro-black phase. I'm tired of shopping at these exotic African stores. The stuff is so expensive.